Hi, I'm Hannah, and I'm really excited to tell you about our same but different neurodiversity-friendly mindfulness practice event that's on next month. And it's aimed for mindfulness teachers and those training to be mindfulness teachers. You'll hear from 4 different neurodivergent lived experience perspectives on topics such as alexithymia, the double empathy problem, and monotropism. And you'll also get to experience 4 different adapted mindfulness practices. A recording of these talks and practices will also be sent to you. In my bit, I'm going to be sharing my mindfulness and my mindful self-compassion journey, and I'll be playing the piano and going through how I worked through trauma that resurfaced following a regular mindfulness practice, and also backdraft that came up for me when practicing self-compassion. I'll also be talking about how I've struggled with certain mindfulness practices and how beneficial visual metaphors have been for me. There is a link below to my blog post about my mindful self-compassion journey, if you're interested. We would really love to see you on Thursday, the 30th of April. And if you can't make the live session, you can sign up for a recording. Here are the ticket prices. But if price is a barrier to you joining, please get in touch with us for a concession rate. The booking link is below.